Meaning of debt.
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 Debt. Debt is a shortened form of the word determine. It can be used as a verb or a noun and has various meanings depending on the context. As a verb, it means to establish or find out definitively. As a noun, it can refer to a calculation or process used to find a value or solution. In mathematics, debt stands for determinant, which is a mathematical object used to describe certain properties of matrices. Overall, debt is a versatile abbreviation with diverse applications in different fields, most commonly in mathematics and science.